everybody, I'm your man, Dennis Pitzenberger, here, SEMA 2019, with my man, Mark Campbell from Comp. And the beauty of today's performance era is the fact that Dodge has gone out and made some fantastic vehicles, but it sounds like you guys got some solutions for what could be problems, or if guys just want to make more power.
Absolutely, we got a whole bunch of really exciting new products for the Dodge Hemi engine.
Well, the first thing I want to talk about is the individual parts. Let's talk about some of the new lifters you have available for the guys with the Hemis.
Absolutely. Well, one of the known problems with the Hemi engines is the lifters are a problem from the factory. So we now have a direct replacement lifter for all the Hemi engines. So that's a real nice little solution to take care of that problem. We also have a really good short travel lifter. If you're looking for more performance, more RPM, you can switch over to the short travel lifter. Once again, we have several different options for all the different engine families. We now do have push rods as well. They're actual kits, so you don't need to know what length you need. We've already done all the hard work and measured everything up for you, and have complete kits. So once again, you can just buy one part number and be ready to go.
And the other thing you're offering as well is valve springs and even the tools if guys want to do it themselves.
Absolutely. So once again, we have complete kits that are just simple. Once you pick the camshaft, we have the different spring kits depending on how much lift the camshaft has, and then of course to go with that, all the retainers, the locators, the locks, the whole 9 yards. So you don't have to be an expert, you just have to know how to look up a part number in a catalog, basically, or call one of our techs.
Well, that's what I wanted to talk about next, was the HRT camshaft kits. They are complete, and you have several different power levels that you can choose from.
Yeah, we have 3 different power levels. Basically a stage 1, which is typically an NSR, or no springs required style camshaft, and then 2 other versions, which are just more aggressive from that, for all the different engines, the 5.7, 6.1, and 6.4s. The really cool part is, like the 6.4, for example, with our stage 3 camshaft picked up 170 horsepower. And it was all done by 6,500 RPM. So you didn't have to rev the thing to 8,000 RPM to get it. And it still makes very good torque down low. So absolutely incredible gains from these camshafts.
Well, with all of the addition of air, spark, and fuel, we have to address that one last thing, getting more spark to that combustion chamber.
Absolutely. So we've come out with a new coil for the Hemi engines as well. It's about 25% more spark energy than the stock coil, and it's a direct replacement. It just bolts right in, plugs into the factory connections, no other modifications needed, and simple as pie.
All right, Mark, if people want to know how to get more power in their Mopar, where do we send them?
Compcams.com.
You heard the man, compcams.com, SEMA 2019.